Anyway, okay na yan. Kapalag. Play. My name is Ezo. Mantuto pa daw to. Mantuto pa. Simula dati. Ayan, 15 years ago. Ba! Ba! Putar iso. Di kasi ako kita eh. Ano, dapat ganyan eh. Diba? Dapat ganyan yung mga anuan, ilawan. People were silent, too silent, their gazes were empty. Okay. Village showed near the village. Under he ran to Mr. Grandpa, he was a strange man. He had mounted his motorcycle into his wheelchair. Automatic yung wheelchair, pare. Pang racing. Hindi ata masyadong rinig. Teka lang, lalapit natin yung microphone sa harapan ko. Ayan. Okay! Rinig ba ako? Okay. Let me grab the lantern and go to the barn to feed the animals. Ayan. Let's go! Let's go! Ito. Okay, ganun pa rin. Yan. Plato. Makalawang na plato. So, ano meron dito? Bubuksan ba yan? Pero sa'yo. So, pupunta daw tayo ng barn. Tama ba? Ano ba gagawin ko? Escape. I need to find them. Press R to call out the animals of them. Pagtawag ng I have seen something. So, nandun daw. So, tayo. Ship dong. Rose. Mahilig ako ganyan, maghanap ng mga kung ano-ano. Them naman, Shepherd, crazy just like him. May sit-sit na naman. Bawal pa rin ako tumalon. Bakit kasi? Sumisit-sit sa akin. Labas tayo, labas tayo. Mga katao-tao dito sa ano ah. Kinatakip yan ng cabinet. Si my shepherd, right? May kapit. Di ako nakikita. Ah, okay. Wala pala. Okay. Little birdie is there too. Let me ask her. Where the ship is. Oh, ito. Si Little Birdie. Parang lilipad to ah. Flexing yarn. Yeah. Where's the village chief? Pungas! So wala yung village chief dito. Asan kaya yun? Bad Shepherd was heard about, told I need to find him. Walang katao-tao. Bakit? Bakit? Hey, party? I need to... The fuck? Ang gagawa ng mga yun? Puta. Ano ginagawa nyo? Ha? Kinukupal nyo ba ako? Andito na ba yung mga nagpa-party kanina? Wala pa rin sila dito. Napaparami na sila ng inom. Walang iya kayo. Saan pupunta? May tao na ba dito? Hello? Wala pa rin. Valentine's Day. Okay. Tara na. Dito ba? I should go to the room. Okay. Birdie. Birdie ka ulit. Asan? There's a first house on the left of Village Square. 4, okay. Oh. Nangyari dito. Why is there's blood? She's dead. Oh. Lalaki pala to. Bakit naman namatay ito? Lulu. So, namatay na yung jowa mo. Oy. Patay na yung jowa mo. I mean, he's gone. Okay, lala. Tama. He's dead. We had a crazy shepherd we called Bad Shepherd. Okay. must have imagined it and sent it away. Blah 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 blah. The barn then disappeared after that. Grave digger. Find the grave digger. Okay. Yung ano daw. Ito daw yung bahay eh. Oh, saan yun? Dun ba yun? Pataas pa yun? Yeah. Uy. Voodoo. Wala. Huh? Yun! Ano laman yung rep? Puro ganito yung ano nila sa ano, no? Ito ba talaga sa province? Dear friend, lately you must have also noticed what has been happening in the village. Okay? Bago daw yung mga tingin nila. Baka nag-a-addict na silang lahat. Disappeared from within them. I am very close to finding out what this is. If you don't hear from me for a while, make sure the belongings I entrusted to you reach the priest or the village chief of the neighboring village. So, sa di kalayo ang lugar. Until then, keep them in the locked cabinet. Only you and the priest should know the password. Trust no one, especially that mad shepherd, the chief. Locked cabinet. So, si priest, tsaka sino ba yung nandito? Best to go to the church. Okay. Si ano tayo? Yung pare. Strange battle. Indian Red Scorpion. Lason ka talaga dyan. Nagkakamit kayo, wala naman laman! Aga mo dyan. Aga ko naglalaro. Baliw. Tulak ko kaya to. Gogo. Grabe. Grabe yung pag-arte mo dun. Ganap na ganap. Bigla na lang umiilag. Aning-aning. Pasok tayo dito. Dadasal muna ako. Sana po win streak kami mamaya. Ano to? Uy, ano yun? May bumukas. Huh? Ay, dito sa likod. Ay, may sulat to. The gravedigger came to me today and told me about his conversation with the village chief. It's terrifying. The password he gave me is safe at home. Pure is my friend. Speaker assault less ano yun? Less and less. So yung priest. Wala na rin dito yung priest. Saan ba kayo nagpupunta? Lahat na lang ng tao ay nahanap ko. Saan naman nakatira yung kupal na yun? Diba? Dito. Ito, baka dito. Iyan! Kaya ka na nahanaba. Tulog ka ng tulog. Hihilig ka pang kupal ka. Iba-iba pa yung pagkain mo dito ah. May brown rice, diet yarn. Ano, kare-kare? Nakakaya naman sa'yo. Tulog na tulog ka. This is donkey. This is donkey. Kala ko tumigil siya ng ano eh. Kagatin ako niyan. Okay. Wala dyan. May natutulog na baboy dyan. Dito, anong ba meron dito? Pag pinanguya ko to ng baka, yung litid, tamo, forever yan ngunguya. Hello, shepherd. No, shepherd, you're the only person. Okay, ito yung bahay nung pari. But first, there's something you need to do. I don't know where the he is. Okay, Grandpa's house. Okay, halika na rito. Hindi pa kita pwedeng isama. Babalikan pa kita dito. Saan yung Grandpa's house? Uy. Ito yata yun eh. Hello? Strange. The village might be enchanted. Tumingin. Baliw din. Minsan na lang makakita ng tao, baliw din. Sino ba yung grandpa? Who's grandpa? Grandpa. In grandpa's house. Wala ba akong map? Ito? Hindi ba dito yan? So yung kid daw nasa grandpa's house. Who the fuck is grandpa? Yun! Okay, we have the keys! Nasa atin ang susi. Bubuksan ko na yung sementeryo. Bubuksan na natin ang sementeryo. Omega. Okay, ito yung ano. Saan tayo lalagay? Bukas na yung sementeryo. Babalikan ko yung ulo doon. Higa na. Babalik na kita doon sa katawan mo. Nasagasaan ka. Priest house ito. Ito yung priest house. Yung 7. 7 is the priest house. Sarap pa rin ang tulog na itong kupal na ano to. Baboy oh. $3167. Shit. 3167. Nasaan yung lock? Dito. So may taas. 3167. 3167. Puta, nagugulat ako doon sa ayun. 3. Yung palay. 6. My chief. You didn't believe me. You thought I had gone mad, but I explained everything. I had no ill intentions. Oh, only dream was to be able to talk to them. Ship, strange man living in the two-story ruined house. And the village came to me. Shared my water and bread with him. 38 is Himil. Looked into my eyes and asked, I love animals more than people. I wish I could understand their language. Nangyari, naging baboy siya and said, mix it into the animal's water. One of them looked me in the face and shouted at me, "You crazy bastard. I told you," he said. "Get out of here." I was heard the surroundings. I got scared, locked them all in the barn, and ran home. By the barn door creak. Sheep was taking the bottle the strange man had given and pouring it. So, well, if you're reading this, Mad Shepherd. Okay. So, nabaliw nga. Nabaliw ang everybody. Nabaliw ang everybody. So, ito siya. Itong mga to yun. So, everything came from that, and the village sheep and that poor shepherd are definitely in that two-story house. Ito ba? Ayan lang naman two-story dito ah. Ito tsaka ito. Uy, ano yun? Gagi. May ano? May something sa likod. What you doing? Si Shepherd? Yan ba si Shepherd? Gagi, nagbigti. Pag tumama sa akin. Ay ko. Lumilipad. May puwet. May puwet. Ito na. Came through, but the price was heavy. Strange man. Even you knew 1,000 times, I have no forgiveness for you anymore. Spell mixed into the well. Sip into our blood. The chief is on his last breath in the barn. You shepherd, if you don't want to see the sheep's corpse, come to the barn. Sa barn. Wah! May sundo ako? Boss! Ano lang, kaya po? Sakay! Uy! Yeah! Yeah! Mas maganda pa daw sa Intramuros oh. O sa Bigan. Isa mo kalbo. Naruto. Naruto yard. So the barn. Dito tayo sa barn. Pwede pumasok? Bawal. Gagi, napunta ako sa bubong. Ay, nangyari. Uwan. Nasisira yung laro. Ay! Matandya ka sa bubong! Ay, nangyari sa'yo? Okay. So you were the bad shepherd. Nagasaan ka. Up, round 1. Fight! Laban na, laban! Sa naka-wheelchair ba? To my arms. Wago! Eh, lumabas! Kumasa na! Kumasa! Puputok na! Headshot! Headshot! Lumabas yung ano? Pre, lumabas yung... Ano to? Yung hotdog. Yung Hungarian sausage lumabas. Yun lang yun? Wala. Yun lang yun. Diretso quit.